Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just woke up so my voice is all weird and I look really weird, but we can just not talk about that. So today I'm going to be doing a video about how to start your YouTube channel in 2019. I've done videos on how to grow your channel, but today I actually want to tell you guys how to start your channel and kind of set it up for success. So if you would love to hear about this, let's just get on into the video. So I have everything on my notes, so I'll be reading off of there. My first tip to starting a YouTube channel is find your aesthetic or theme. Are you going to be a retro aesthetic, or white and organized, or cinematic? You really should decide this from start, because sometimes I randomly go from these themes and I feel like my viewers get really confused. So I would say find your inspo YouTubers and really take advice from them. Look at how their videos are formatted and definitely don't copy them, but you can take some techniques from them and kind of mash it and add your own stuff. Eventually it'll just form into something that's your own. But I definitely say that finding your aesthetic is kind of like finding your niche too. Like, people don't like the retro aesthetic and you're telling them that your channel is going to be white and clean, and then you start posting retro videos, you're going to lose subscribers. Learn how to use your editing software and filming equipment. This one is so important. A lot of people don't know how to actually use their equipment or how to check their analytics, and I feel like it's something that needs to be learned. There are a ton of videos on YouTube on how to check your analytics and all of that, and Final Cut Pro tutorials, iMovie tutorials, Cut Pro tutorials. I'll actually link a video down below on how to check your analytics, because I think that checking your analytics is so important to your channel and how to actually grow it efficiently. Try your best to upload very often because it's more chances to practice your skills. This is very important. I can definitely tell that my editing skills have gotten so much better after I decided to upload twice a week instead of once a week, because now I've managed my time better, and actually posting twice a week for me was easier than posting once a week for me because I had a different mindset. But the more you upload, the more it gives you a chance to practice and learn from the last video. If you use iMovie, for example, watch videos on YouTube where they show you editing hacks and tutorials. I actually have an iMovie hacks and tutorials video. I'll put it in the little card. I don't use iMovie anymore, but this helped a lot of other people, and I know that if you're watching this and use iMovie, it'll probably help you. Adjust your filming equipment to the best settings. These days, iPhones have such great quality and you can actually set them to 4K video. Well, if it's like the iPhone 8, I think iPhone 8 and above, really don't know. But I know that the iPhone 8 has it. Depending on what iPhone you have, get the best quality you possibly can. Maybe you don't have enough money to go out and buy an $800 DSLR, but as long as you have what you have, like you can possibly film on your phone, use the best quality you can. Use everything you have to the fullest. You gotta engage with your audience from the start. Go live as much as possible. It means go do a live stream on YouTube, and as healthy as possible. Because I started going like live streaming every single day, or I enjoyed that actually. That wasn't really too unhealthy, but I was going live stream pretty often this school year. It was just stressful for me, and I wasn't really enjoying live streaming anymore because I feel like maybe I was communicating with my viewers too much, so I didn't really appreciate the time where I wasn't connected to my viewers. But if you start your channel with an engaging subscriber base, you won't have very inactive subs, and people will honestly fall in love with your personality. They will literally become your best friend. The reason why Emma Chamberlain is so popular, or just why she blew up, is because she has that relatable personality and she makes people feel like we're doing things with her, that we're her best friend, you know what I mean? So she makes it seem like a relationship, and you want to make it seem like that with your viewers, not just you like talking to a camera and they're just like, nice video. I really hope my videos don't feel like that. I try my best. I'd rather watch an engaging YouTube that talks to us, use their community tab, talks to us on Instagram, instead of kind of just being so distant. It's like we're the only ones giving. They're just posting content and we're giving them feedback, but they're not giving anything back. Reply to as many comments as possible and heart each comment. You can also do comment shoutouts on your channel. I used to reply to every single comment, and that just got so tiring because as you grow, you get so many more comments, but definitely heart every single comment. But the ones that stand out more are the ones that are questions. You can answer those, but yeah, the more comments you have in your video is better. If you start your channel with engaging subscribers, it tells YouTube that people are loving your content. If none of your subscribers are commenting on your videos, liking them, what does that tell YouTube? Nothing. Be yourself. I know it sounds so cliche, but if you want to start your channel with an authentic audience that actually cares about you, then actually Be yourself. Because if you have a fake personality and then you start showing your personality more, people aren't gonna like it and they're gonna unsubscribe. There's so many people I've just unsubscribed from because I just don't like their personality. Like, they just seem like that girl in school that nobody would like. YouTube is really a lot about your personality. You can really sell someone with your personality. You could literally have the worst quality of video about your personality. So I feel like a lot of times when I first started my channel, I was going off of like alisha, morin people, and I was kind of more acting like them and not myself. But I feel like every single video now, I'm becoming a more of my own person and own brand. And people like it. And if people love you for you, they will watch whatever you post. Literally. You could literally post a video of you seeing how many scrunchies fit in your hair and everyone will watch it because they just want to see you talk. I don't really know if this occurs to me, but I made a becoming a monster meme video and it was very cringy. But like 600 of my viewers watched it because they just wanted to see me. I'm sorry I sounded so cocky when I said that. I swear that's like not at all what I meant. No one figured out about my channel from there. People just wanted to watch it and I grew a connection with them. Always have a business Instagram if you can so people can go talk to you on there because I feel like my Instagram has definitely bonded me closer with a ton of other people. Shameless plug, go follow my Instagram. No, you don't have to, but if you would love to communicate with me, this is a great way too. This one's also super important and honestly, I don't know how, but it definitely kickstarted my channel is making some friends in your community. The small YouTuber community has honestly gotten so toxic, so like I'm not really gonna talk about that, but when I joined, it wasn't too bad. I used to just be my own bubble. I used to make videos. I had like a few people that would consistently comment on them, but my videos got like 7 comments. But once I started going on other people's lives, figuring out that our personalities like kind of went together, and now I have this big group chat with my friends where we like literally text every single day, and it's amazing. I feel like becoming friends with people in the community and being more part of the community has really helped me grow a supporter base. So find where your community is and make friends there because when you're all alone on YouTube, it's very hard. So yeah. My videos have gotten so much more views and engagement. Before I became friends with everyone, I had like 1,000 subscribers and now I have like 4,000. I'm not saying become fake and just become friends with people for like numbers. That's not what I'm saying. But if you really get along with people in the community, just go for it. Don't self-promote or be a clout chaser. People will automatically dislike you and they will remember your comments. They will remember your account by the comment you left on their channel. Sub for sub is literally the worst mistake you could ever make. Yes, it might get you subscribers, but those subscribers literally won't give a crap about your videos. They're not gonna watch your videos at all. That's gonna tell YouTube that you have so many inactive subs and your videos are literally gonna get no views. You're not gonna grow from there. Sub for sub basically just damages a channel like from right on. Don't do it. And your subscriber to view ratio is very important. I struggle with this too. I have like 4,000 subscribers, but my vlogs videos have not been getting like many views. But I understand that because I'm not giving them time to get views. But definitely try to get your views as high as much to your subscriber count, or maybe higher than your subscriber count. I need to work on that. It's totally okay to use growth methods, but never tell someone to check out something of yours. Saying something like, I released a new video, can you go check it out? A lot of people comment on my videos, and I know they're not trying to be like clout chaser or like rude or anything like that, but it kind of just seems like they didn't really appreciate your video and they just want you to check out theirs. I know it's better than like sub for sub or like check out my channel now please, but it's still basically the same meaning. Don't do it in that nature. Let's say you're commenting on a Christmas wish list video. You could comment, I have so many similar things in my video. I love these ideas. That didn't even say anything about checking out a channel. You're just stating, I made a video about the same thing. You didn't even say anything about checking it out, so that's definitely ideal. And if you're commenting on a bigger YouTuber's video and you say, by the way, I'm a small YouTuber, that is fine too. A lot of people don't like that, and I can totally understand how that can be annoying and repetitive, but at the same time, you never told someone, can you check out my channel? Can you please subscribe? You just stated that you have a YouTube channel. They could click on it, they could not. But I will be making a How to Grow Your YouTube Channel Part 2 that's like special for the new year, or this might come out in like February, but I'm going to be stating like a lot of new growth methods and just how to actually grow. This video is more just how to start your successful channel. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is watch retention. Keep your videos as long as possible, but still interesting. Never just drag on a video just because you want to get more watch time, because you're not going to get the watch time if people actually don't watch that video. Always even out the interesting parts of your video so people keep on watching. Like if it's a vlog, every single minute just have something a little bit more interesting to just hold that retention and just keep on holding it. And I'm actually going to explain what watch retention is. Watch retention is how much of that video that person actually watched. My video on writing letters to people that made it broke my 2018 did very well, and most people watched halfway through it. So it has like a 51% watch retention, which is really amazing to me because that's the best I've ever done. And I feel like I should do more of those videos or unique videos like that are super interesting and holds people's attention. So definitely study your analytics, and the videos that do the best, do the same thing that those videos are doing. This is honestly really important because some people could actually end their channel because of this. Use the hate on your channel to motivate you even more. When you start a channel, your content obviously won't be the best as it could be in like a year. It's easy to get your ego ripped down by people commenting destructive comments on your channel, but you have to have
thick skin
to be, even on social media, even if it's Instagram, you have a public Instagram, you're putting yourself out there to get hated on, and you just have to understand that. Like, I've been on YouTube literally since I was like 8, but no one really commented hate comments, and like no one really commented my videos in general, but I've been on here for a long time. I've seen hate videos, I've seen this stuff happen, and it's just part of being on social media. Yeah, it kind of sucks, but you have to have a thick skin and just know that these haters are paying your bills. When people hate on my live streams, I might hide them from my channel if it's too bad, but I usually don't block them because they're literally staying on my live. They're like getting me closer to monetization. So you have to understand that sometimes your haters are the people that watch your videos the most. And whenever I get a hate comment, it just motivates me to do even better. I like to do singing covers on my channel, and people give me corrections, or like, that's not really hate comments, that's just criticism, and that's honestly really helpful. But when people say, you sound like a dying cow or something, I don't delete their comment. I heart their comment, I reply with kindness. I just say, thank you so much for your feedback, I will try to work on that next time. Because if someone thinks I sound like a dying cow, yeah, I probably shouldn't listen to them, but it also gives me motivation to actually sound better the next cover. Don't let these hate comments get to you, and don't cave into them because they're trying to knock you down, and you just have to learn how to use that hate and turn it into motivation and something productive. My last thing I have to say is just have fun with it. Just enjoy filming videos and don't take things too seriously. Sometimes you can get too into growing and start to lose connection with the actual hobby that you're interested in. Yes, growing methods are awesome, but if the only thing you do is comment on videos and you're not actually enjoying filming and editing them, that's a big problem. Sometimes I've gone through ruts like that, but now I've learned that I actually love talking to a camera. I love sitting down on my computer and editing videos. So you just have to learn to actually go to the roots of your passion and don't get lost in that. Don't get lost in just growing. Like, actually ask yourself this, like, at least once a month. Why did you start your YouTube channel? Why are you still doing this? And if your answer is like money, fame, or just something like that, then don't start a channel or take a break. So that's basically all I had to say. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I talked a lot, but I feel like everything I said is super important. I just want you guys to just absorb that information. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please engage a lot in this video because I really want other people to hear what I'm saying. If I was just starting my channel, I would definitely want to hear these things, and everything I talked about will be linked down below. That's all I gotta say, and I'll see you in the next video.